So once you've put on your trim panel and connected it to the kill switch wires, it's time to put on your heat shield for your muffler. So what you're going to want to do is grab your heat shield, looks like this, and then you're going to go ahead and line it up. You're going to want to tuck that side under the far side underneath the rewind starter assembly, and then grab your 2 bolts. These should be size 9/32, and you're just going to go ahead, line them up. There isn't a specific torque specification on here for you, but you're just going to go ahead and just kind of tighten them up. There should be 2 of them, one on top by your governor system, and one over on the side facing towards the computer, or your screen right here. Just kind of drive that in there, just so it's nice and snug. And then our next step is going to be to insert our choke throttle. So you may remember this from when we were starting up your engines way back at the beginning of the semester, but it looks kind of like this. Okay, so you'll notice on here that there is a slot, or 2 little slots, kind of hard to see, there you go. And then there's also a little knob. Okay, there's only one way for the lever to go in, and that's with the knob. But you want to make sure that the slits or the slots go over the 2 little sections on your lever, and then what you're going to do is you'll be able to turn it like this and hear it make that clicking noise like it is right now, and that's how you can confirm that it's been installed correctly. So our next step now then is going to be to install our muffler. So the muffler looks like this. You're going to need to have just a standard Torx screwdriver along with the 10mm socket to tighten this one up. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of go in and line this up correctly. Just like kind of the consistent theme here, just kind of drive it in with your fingers at first, and then we can tighten it up a little bit with the screwdriver. If it wants to stay, I'm just kind of loosely putting it on there for now. Grab the second one, put that in over here. Again, just kind of loose for now, and we'll tighten it up a little bit later. But we have that third bolt, and that can be located towards the back of the muffler, and you'll just tighten that in. There's no true torque specification for the muffler either for us, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up, and we'll report back in a minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish using my Torx screwdriver to tighten up our muffler, and we should be set. So our next step here is going to be to install our muffler cover or heat shield. So basically what you're going to do is line it up. It's almost kind of like a jigsaw puzzle, and go ahead, feed it through there like so. Perfect. And then line up the holes with each other, and you're just going to go ahead and put these little bolts in place and tighten them down using a 5/16 socket. So I'm going to do these 2 first on the top. Tighten those down just so they're snug. So now that we've finished tightening up our heat shield for the external part of the muffler, you've reached the end of this video. So in this video, we've successfully put on wires for our trim panel. We also put on our muffler and our heat shield. So in the next video, we're going to wrap up with the fuel system, and then we'll run your engine to see if it works.